I remember hearing from them in they finally got to the coast, and I was absolutely blown away by it. I can't believe you got a 440 and a Savage to the coast in the condition that they were in, and with how many breakdowns they did, and I can't believe they were able to fix these things on the side of the highway as many times as they did. But all I kept thinking as soon as I got to the coast was, well, now you guys got to make it back, and your bikes have already been through all of these horrible things, and they're already worn down. So this, that leg is gonna suck. And I mean, yeah, it turns out it did.
We're going for a swim?
Fix my bike.
As soon as the guys got to the coast, it was a pretty cool moment for both of them. I know they had to turn around almost immediately because they had to go pick up a timing chain for Cowie's bike, because since about Ontario, it has started making a ticking noise that got worse and worse and worse, and they had to end up fixing it, so they had to go pick up this chain.
Are you on reserve yet?
No.
The backtrack 3 times.
Come out golden yellow, right?
It's gonna come out custom metal flake. What if I'm just here not actually turning anything? Oh.
Those magnetic drain plugs?
Oh goodness. It's just
Grit?
yeah.
As days and days and weeks went
That's
by,
weird.
it was you could definitely tell a tone in the text where it was the optimism had slowly left every single week that I was getting. It was just well, we're going to try and make to this place, but it's not going to happen. Slowly we're fixing everything during the day, and we have to ride at night so we can't see anything. And it just seemed like this, it was just a struggle to get anywhere. And, I'm still trying to stay relatively positive for these guys to make it through.
You gonna film this entire process?
Yeah. Nothing else to do, right?
I'm gonna be here for a long time.
You can tell us what you're doing.
I'm going in the engine more than I ever have. I'm doing my cam chain placement.
What's wrong with your cam chain?
Well, it's stretched more than my patience after many nights of no sleep.
Take my name out of your paper, Jane. I've seen something that forever changed the game. Forgive me, love, for the blame I sent to thee. All the fingers I pointed that really pointed back at me. This fighting, this unsettling stir, I see it now, I surrender. Let the dust settle, let go of the pedal, there's too much.
We're 170 kilometers east of Sault Ste. Marie, staying at an antiques barn. Last night the bike started knocking really bad. I think it might be a spun rod. So we're gonna go west as far as we can, see how she does, and maybe buy a car.
I don't think it's spun rod. I think it's got a flat tire. Where are we?
Blind River.
And what did we just go look at?
A 2006 Pontiac Montana minivan.
And how did we get to Blind River?
Well, you see, the KZ died completely today. Slowing down. I was just going as hard as I could. And it was just like, and it just started like, all the noises changed. I was like, and then like smoke started coming around my legs, and I'm like, and just smoke pouring out from the engine. And then just like, I touched the clutch for a second, and
I'm like, why did Blake pull over, man? We were doing so good there for like 2 minutes.
so we needed a car, so we went to Tim Hortons after Cowie told me down the highway, the 25 kilometers on the white line, which was sketchy.
75 kilometers an hour.
75 kilometers an hour. We made good time.
It's 15 under the speed limit.
So we went to Tim Hortons and tried to find a car for sale. Couldn't find anything on the internet. So we decided to go for a walk, and the first place we go was a mechanic shop, and it's closed because it's holiday Monday. And there's a guy in the back. I'm gonna go talk to him, and he takes us to car place where this guy lives, and there's just people walking all over the place, and goats and sheep and chickens and dogs, and yeah, so he's got a $600 minivan that I think we're gonna buy and try to drive 2,000 kilometers in that tomorrow.
How do you feel about your bike?
I'm pretty bummed. I feel bad for it.
For putting it through what you did?
I feel like I killed it.
No. Are you gonna try to fix it?
Let's see if I get another motor for it. Put it in there. Take that one apart. Find out the starter broke it. Wouldn't that be funny?
I've got a pile of gold hidden out beneath the snow on a hill above a lake. There's a place I sit and wait and think of the things I should say when I'm with you. When I looked,
Yeah, it's like
I realized that the dog
But like, does the bolts
was
fall off?
still
Yeah, there's no
alive.
bolts in it.
So we took it to the vet, and they opened up her side. And when they took the tumor out, it was flowering. I wrote the thought of you between my fingers like dried up glue, and I can't